Imagine a world without smartphones. No more staring down at screens. Instead, picture sleek glasses on your face. This is the future Mark Zuckerberg sees. He believes smart glasses will replace our phones. It's a bold prediction. These aren't just any glasses, they are packed with technology. Make calls, send messages, even watch films. All hands-free, right before your eyes. Could this be the end of the smartphone era? It sounds like science fiction, but it's getting closer. Companies like Meta and Apple are investing heavily in this technology. Billions of dollars are being poured into research and development. The race is on to create the best smart glasses. Are we on the verge of a major tech shift? Will we all be wearing smart glasses soon? It's an exciting and uncertain time in the world of technology. One thing is for sure, the future is looking very interesting. Smartphones have become an extension of ourselves. We are constantly checking them, scrolling through feeds. This can be addictive and harmful. Some argue that smartphones are too distracting. They take us away from the present moment. Smart glasses offer a potential solution. They provide hands-free access to information and communication. Imagine getting directions without taking your eyes off the road, or translating a menu instantly just by looking at it. This technology could make us more present and connected to our surroundings. We could interact with technology more naturally without the need for clunky devices. But there are concerns too. Privacy is a big one. If glasses can record everything we see, who has access to that information? These are important questions that need to be addressed. Meta and Apple are leading the charge in the smart glasses race. Both companies have released early versions of their devices. Meta's Ray-Ban stories allow you to take photos and videos. Apple's Vision Pro focuses on augmented reality experiences. The competition is fierce. Each company wants to be the first to create truly game-changing smart glasses. They are constantly innovating and improving their designs. Smaller companies are also entering the market. This competition is driving innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The next few years will be critical. The company that creates the most compelling and user-friendly smart glasses could revolutionize how we interact with technology. Imagine a future where smart glasses are commonplace. We could attend virtual meetings, play immersive games, and learn new skills, all through our glasses. Doctors could use them for surgery, architects for building design. The possibilities seem endless. This technology could bridge the gap between the physical and digital worlds. We could access information seamlessly, blurring the lines between reality and the virtual realm. But will smartphones really disappear? Or will they coexist alongside smart glasses? Only time will tell. One thing is for sure, the future of technology is full of exciting possibilities. So what do you think? Will smart glasses really replace smartphones? Or is this just another tech fantasy? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more future insights.